Welcome back to another tutorial video with Emma Molode, mathematics tutor at TVET. Please note that the material used in these videos can be found in the RISE TVET handbook by Academic Solutions. So today's topic will be focusing on laws of fractions. So in this slide, I've showed you 4 laws of fractions as well as their examples. So number 1, we have A divided by B multiplied by C divided by D, which is equal to AC divided by BD. So if you look at the example of this law, it says, as you can see here, I hope you do understand. So we multiply this and that, and then we get 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2, 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12. So 2 divided by 12, which is 1 divided by 6. So in this case we have our answer there. Yeah, we do have our answer there. Number 2, we have A over B plus C over D is equals to AD plus BC divided by BD. So in this case, we need to get the common denominator, which is BD. So our BD, for us to calculate the numerators, we will say B, it goes in how many times in BD? It goes in D times. So D multiplied by A, which is AD. That's why we have AD there. And then we move to this one. D goes in how many times in BD? It goes in B times. So B multiplied by C, which is BC. So this positive is this one. If it's negative, we will put negative there. So I hope it does make sense. So if we check our example, this side, it says 2 divided by 5 plus 9 divided by 11. So we need to find the common denominator. The common denominator, which is 55. We took 5 and 11, which is 55, and then we say 5, it goes in how many times into 55? It goes 11 times. So 11 multiplied by 2, which is 22, and then 11 goes how many times in 55? It goes 5 times. 5 multiplied by 9, which is 45. That's why we have 45 here. So I hope it does make sense how I did it. So 22 plus 45, which is 67, divided by 55. So the last law says A divided by B divided by C divided by D. As you can see on our next step here, we took this part and then we swapped it. We took D to the numerator and C to denominator. That's why we have it here. That the reason for us to do that, we need to change it into multiplication so that we can be able to calculate. So the next step, it says AD divided by BC. So this part, it's not different from the first law that we did there. So that's why we ended up having this answer. So for example, we have 4 divided by 7 divided by 1 divided by 3, which is equal to, remember, we took the other fraction and then we swapped it. As you can see, we have 3 over 2. We swapped 1 over 2 into 3 over 1 to change our sign there. So now we have 4 divided by 7 multiplied by 3 divided by 1, which is equal to 7 multiplied by 1, which is 7, 4 multiplied by 3, which is 12. So that's why we have this answer over there. I hope it does make sense. So going forward, we have another example. Please note, keep in mind that the denominator should not be equal to 0 because it will give us undefined. So any number divided by 0, guys, it's undefined. Name. So for example, we have 4 divided by 7 divided by 1 over 3. So in this case, I took the example above so that as an example. So as I did explain in the previous slide, so I hope it does make sense here. So I hope you did have fun, guys, and if you want to see more videos of our mathematics subject or module, you can go to our YouTube channel, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.